Okay, hi guys, good morning. On this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Thrive Architect. So the first thing that I did was that I logged into my WordPress admin dashboard and then came to pages and created a new page. Now I'm calling this page Bemi, and then after I created it, I put the title of the page. Of course, yeah, I was able to publish it so that now I have an update button right in this slot. So I'm basically going to click on edit with Thrive Architect, and then it's going to open up in a new tab that where I can edit with Thrive Architect. Now I'm shooting this on my phone, so the experience is a lot better on system. So I'm going to make it appear like a desktop site. Okay, so I'm waiting for network to come up. Ah, so it's coming up. And then now this is basically what you're gonna see the first time you visit Thrive Architect. It's going to come up right now. So the default content that is showing here in this address social, this Bene place, they are default content that comes with the theme that you are using on your website. So the default content your theme populates whenever you create a new page is the one showing, and I'm going to show you how to disable them once this page finishes loading. Okay, I'm waiting for it. It's because I have a very horrible network. Usually this thing usually goes, of course it's dependent on your network, how fast your network is. That's why it's a little tad slow right now. But basically, as you can see, because of the way Thrive Architect is structured, it is a drag and drop page builder, a really good front end builder. So for this paragraph and text, assuming it has finished loading, it's about dragging it to the spot on the screen where I want it to show. The same for the heading, the same for the image, the same for the button. So once I drag it, I can select whatever options I want to be right inside of there. Also the same thing for the column, the background section. I'll just wait and let this thing finish loading so I can show you all these things. Maybe I'll just reload it over again and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so this is the admin, this is the, what's it called, the Thrive page. So paragraph of text, as I was saying that time, is just about dragging. So for instance, this one is my default footer. So once I click on paragraph of text, I'm able to edit whatever text I want to put, change it to this week. I'm able to edit it, and then I'm able to bolden it. I'm able to select it. Okay, this is my tab. Okay, man, sometimes it's best to use a system tool. Okay, so I can bolden it, I can italize it, it could be, it's basically like Microsoft Word but simpler, kind of. So that's for that. Now, the what makes Tribe Architect sweet is that it comes with some inbuilt really cool templates. So this is it. You can come here. I clicked on the settings tab, then I clicked on step template setup, then I choose a landing page template. So now there are plenty of templates inside of it. So let's say I'm looking for, I intend to do a one-page website. So I can just come here and choose the template under it, and then when I choose, I scroll down and choose template. So there are so many templates there. You can filter them with that thing that I showed you up over there. You can select under the categories, and then once you choose them, it's going to load up, and then it's going to load up the page, and then on the page you can edit each of the elements to suit your colors, to suit your branding, to suit your everything. So when I'm on my system, I'm going to do a more in-depth video, but basically this is essentially how to use Tribe Architect. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next broadcast.